I'm Chris Flame-Basted Roberts, and today I'm cooking up a steak and lobster surf and turf panuzzo with a bit of seaweed love in the dome. Look at this bad boy. Gone for a bone-in ribeye. Beautiful marbling, good fat content. It's my favourite steak, you know, and if you do get the option, bone in or bone out, always go bone in, because you just get a juicier, more flavoursome steak. Got a cast iron pan warming up in the oven. So just going to season the steak simply. Olive oil, and don't be shy with your salt. So cast iron smoking. I have put a little bit of oil in. Sizzle, sizzle, baby. My favourite sound. Now, it's very important here when you're cooking steak on cast iron, respect that first contact of the meat hitting the cast iron, okay? If you go in and fiddle with it and peek and stuff, you're just going to ruin the crust. So trust the pan, trust the dome, and develop that Maillard reaction crust. You know, that's what we're looking for. Just bring it out here to give it a little flip. Across this is a thick piece of steak, you know, I'm going to be flipping it quite often. Going to hit it with some butter now. And I've mixed this butter with dull seaweed. So I brought down some dull seaweed from the beach of North Wales. So the dulse and butter is just continuing with the surf and turf vibe. And this steak is done in like 3 minutes. And it's essential for a steak like that, you've got to let it rest, you know. When that muscle hits the 500-degree dome flame, it tenses up like a fist, you know, but once you let it rest, let it chill, man, that fist relaxes, it absorbs all the juices infused with dulse and butter. Boom, let's do some lobsters. The steak's resting, let's do the lobsters. I'm gonna take the claws off the tail. The claws can go a bit closer to the fire because they're big claws. Bit of oil, bit of salt, some more of this dulse butter. So this lobster is stunning, fresh from the water of Dorset, literally like 500 yards away from here. Can't get any fresher than this. Prez went there this morning. Let's get the live lobster, yeah? Yeah. See? Yeah. Don't be shy. In we go. Man, the smell of the dulse crispy-fied on the juicy as lobster. These are done. And just like the steak, you know, I want to let the lobster rest too so they can chill for a bit. Wow, in on the money shot. In on the money shot. So I've just got a pizza dough. Go to gozney.com for some cool pizza dough recipes. Gentle stretch. And that's kind of it. Really simple. Oh, and you might be wondering what the hell have I got sticking out here, but this is my flambadou. And I'll show you later what a flambadou is. Yep. Oh, crispy, crunchy, fluffy, good dough. I just want to hit this flatbread with a bit of beef fat from the steak trimmings from the butcher. Flambadou should be hot. Woo! Yeah, I am a bit worried about that camera, so I'll take it away from there. Me, I thought I was going to burn Gozney H2. You know, can't even talk. Holy but burnt beef fat on a nice pillowy, crispy dough. It's beautiful. So lobster's cooled down a bit now. Take it out the shell. And just with a battery knife. Man, I'm not a person with much finesse. You need finesse for this. Ah, man. Broken the claw in half. So this is optional, you know, but I like a bit of mayo in my steak and lobster sandwich, so lemon juice, a little pinch cayenne pepper, touch of sea salt. Just give it a little bit of a mix. Easy. The steak's been resting for a good quarter of an hour now. Moment of truth. Goes through like butter, you know we've nailed it. Yeah, perfect for me, medium rare. That's how we like it. So always slice across the grain, you know, it's just better eating experience. And never waste this liquid gold. The resting juices with the butter and the dulse. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, let's build up this panuzzo. Let's slice in. Oh yeah, looking good. Layered the steak at the bottom, grilled lobster, the mayo and the cayenne pepper. Even more seaweedy, got some nori, which is lava seaweed, and you know lava bread's a national dish of Wales. Crispy onions, chopped chives, and there you have it, flame-basted Gozney dome, flame-basted beef fat bread, Panuozzo. Boom. I'll take this off for the money shots. You know, that's got to be like one of the coolest sandwiches I've ever made. Proud sandwich daddy. And there you have it. That's my surf and turf Christchurch lobster, bone-in ribeye Panuozzo with the seaweed butter. Wow, where do I go? How do I tackle it? Seriously, the juicy steak, charred crust, lobster with a bit of kick from the cayenne pepper, you know, very juicy lobster. And then you just get a mellow hint of the Minnau, Avon Minnau or Carnarvon, that's where I brought the seaweed from, you know, a mellow hint of the sea in the background, just umami-fying in my mouth. Don't even know if umami-fying is a word, but I f***ing love it. Surf and turf, Panuozzo, however you say it, it's a beautiful way to make a sandwich. Gozney.com, Gozney.com, boom. Why do I clap? Well, the dome deserves a clap, yeah?
I like the clap.